Hi everyone, thank you for clicking this video. Today I am in 5 to 7 batch. You can see that people, these boys and girls are going to debate on the topic of private hospitals versus government hospitals. And you can see there are two teams and this team is supporting that government hospitals are good and this team is supporting private hospitals are good. And I want to tell you guys, if I talk about my opinion, I I had both experience in private and in government hospitals both. Somewhere private hospitals are good and somewhere government hospitals are good. It's up to the people. But we are living in India, right? We are living in India and we know the condition of the people. And we know our country is the developing country, not developed country. And we know the person's per capita income. I have told you in the discussion, per capita income, every people cannot afford that private hospitals. And I think it's 50 to 60% people living in rural area. They cannot afford. So for those people, government hospitals are very good. You can say that government hospitals are paying responsibilities for those people because they cannot pay. They cannot pay the fees of a single doctor of private hospital. But the person who can pay and who can afford that hospitals, definitely they want to go in private hospitals because of treatment, because of, you can say that, neat and clean hospitals, because of facilities in this technology era, in this modern era. All the, I think, mostly private hospitals are providing good technologies like good robotic surgeries and all these technologies. Without any further delay, let us start this debate and let us see the enthusiasm of these people and opinion of these people. Yes, ma'am. Start.
Good evening, dear panelists. My name is Avni. I would like to pay my humble gratitude to Rashid sir, who has given me this golden chance to speak here. Considering that main consideration, I would like to talk about government hospital. So, I would like to say government hospital is good for a person because we are living in India. So India is a developing country. Many more people are facing financial problems, and many people lives in a rural area. So not they can't afford transport and transportation easily. So government hospital, our government provided and has many government hospital in rural area and urban area both. So they are providing many facilities and uh, good treatment, good treatment for people, our Indian peoples in free of cost and providing the, I think government hospitals have almost disease treatment. We can say the government hospital is beneficial for persons because they we have less amount. We can take good treatment, and our Indian government provided many facilities like a Janani Suraksha Yojana and free ambulance service and free medicine and free checkup. So this is, I think, very beneficial and helpful for our society and persons. So I can say government hospital is good because private hospital is very expensive and not sometimes given very they given wrong treatment, only motive for earn money, not not given right treatment and not focus on a patient condition and disease, but only on focus on earning money. So this is not good for our ours and persons. That's why I am supporting government hospital.
First of all, a very good evening to Mr. Rasid sir and my dear panelists. My name is Rishabh Giri. As ma'am has told that the government hospital provides lots of facilities and
Yes.
schemes also, and they provide you can say that they provide cheap and free of cost treatment
Yes.
to the peoples in the rural area. I'm saying that affordable.
Not only,
Not
not,
only free of cost, I'm saying free of cost also. In the PA, but I'm saying the question is that you are saying that the people are getting a free of cost and treatment. So, do you think that they get every treatment, whatever they need, they can get easily because
yeah.
they have to perform lots of formalities, and sometimes people are so much in emergency. You can say there are so many emergency cases, and the government and in the government hospitals, especially in the emergency cases,
No, but
they are not going to, you can say, admit the people until unless he complete his or her formalities. So, what do you say? Yes.
so formality has both private hospitals also need for some formalities, and government hospital has this type of facility, 24 hours emergency facility. Then they not focus only. I have experience for both government and they first focus on patient, then other family members uh, doing facility, oh, sorry, formalities only, but doctors focus on first
Only
patient,
right?
only patients, not focus only formalities and Aadhaar card and other things. This is not necessary. They given first priority on the patient and
I have
injury.
witnessed this few days back
And they
only.
give the first
No,
priority to the money.
no, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Listen me
First
carefully.
submit your fees, doctor fees. Without submission doctor fees, you
I will-
can enter and no. Yes, sir. Yes.
Few days back only, I went to the one of the government hospital with my mother for her treatment, and she and there I had to take appointment for that, and doctor was not present on the time, and I have to move here and there for you can say 1 or 2 days, and then after I got to talk with that doctor. So if there is some emergency cases, let's suppose if there was some emergency,
No, no.
so
I think they.
no,
If
no, it
you
was
have
government
any
hospital
emergency,
only.
they refer to other
Yes,
another
government
doctors.
hospital.
Other doctors.
Other doctors.
Yes, there are many doctors
So
available in government
why to
hospital.
refer? I'm
So
saying why to refer if you can go to government private
I think
hospital
if
and
you
if you are talking
lack
you
of knowledge, I
no,
think
no,
for
if you are saying that in the private hospital they ask for money, so what is wrong in this? If you are getting the right treatment on right time, the first priority should be given to your health only. So then
uh,
you have to give the money.
on this point,
Definitely,
I can say if we heard any accident in expressway and other expressway and roadside, and the person get injured and accident, then police, what do police that time? Only go for a government, go for a government hospital, not private hospital. You listen,
they
because
can move.
if they can't get treatment first, then why they come go in government hospital?
In every hospital there is
No,
CSR
no,
beds.
government hospital takes serious. Every case takes serious and provide
Do you
treatment on right
do
time.
you think that in the private hospitals, doctors do not take the cases seriously because they have to? If anything happens to the patient, they are responsible for that. They are going to be
No, no,
responsible for that.
no,
No,
we
no,
can't
they are
say
going to.
they.
They are going to behind the bars.
Responsibility is
No, no, no. They are going to behind the bars.
How can say?
If they are caught,
How
if they are
can
caught,
say?
if they are caught
How can
irresponsible
say
in
they
their
are
work, I'm
responsible?
saying if they are,
Many cases
if they
are failed
yeah,
in
definitely.
provide
If-
wrong
yes,
treatment in
so
private
they have
hospital.
fear, na? They have fear
There
of
are
that.
many person lost a kidney on the operation time in private hospital.
This is not the case of only private.
Many
The
doctor,
government
no, no,
hospital
no.
also this has
No, 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 no.
happened. Yes,
Government
many.
doctor can't do
this
this
Why
type of
can't?
case.
Why
No,
they can't do? It's a
because
matter
they
of
are under
they are
doing
also
work
human
under
too.
the government.
they are
No.
under the government.
They
Yes, right.
they have only government salary, so don't do this
Do you think that
like
the
this.
doctors in the private hospital, if they are found irresponsible or if they are found caught in such cases, they are going to save from this? So they have
No,
also the fear of bar. Do you know that there
there.
is lots of political instability and political system in
I
this
think
government hospital?
doctors
No, no.
not involved in political and
Political,
other
they,
things.
they are
They
definitely
only provide.
politicians are involved in this.
They are
government
on-
hospital.
Politicians are
Yeah,
not-
definitely.
doctors are not involved.
They have to listen them only.
I think politicians also not focusing on treatment and medical.
If you are saying that the people in the government, doctors in the private hospital doing this, doing experiment in these all, you can talk about the Kolkata case also, that there are lots of politicians were involved in that case, and due to which that he
That
is
is front of
no, if you are
this is other
if you are
case,
talking
but
about government hospital, that private hospital that the people are doing in the government are that
private
doctors are
hospital
doing,
lots
they are
of case
experimenting.
like that, lots
This-
of
this
case
could-
like
this
that,
could-
but they don't open disclose in our society. They
I'm just saying that
no
this
no
could happen.
they
This could
don't
happen in
disclose
any
our
case.
society. That was government hospital, so disclose in society. I think private hospital there are many lots of case like that.
I'm saying that this could be happen in both the cases, either in the
Then
private or in the government.
what would you like to say about vaccine, free vaccination and polio?
Polio.
Yeah, polio. No.
Yes.
So government hospital provided this facility.
Only and only
Go house to home and free of cost. This is very I think
Yes, sir.
zero case in our country in that time polio.
Polio, yes.
Yes, sir. Minimized, finished. I think almost finished in our country polio cases by government hospital, government nurses and government doctors. So, what would you like
I
to
do
say about
agree with the
this?
point that there are lots of.
I'm so sorry. sir.
No, no. No, why other? No. I'm saying I have answer to that question. Yes, the people you are talking about that they are providing polios and all that, the free of medicine also. The private hospital also work in the partnership with the NGOs and all. They also provide this kind of facilities under which.
But
if
not
you are talking
free.
about the Tata Memorial Hospital, you can say I'm
So-
giving example. They collaborate with the you can say the private hospital
They
under
have
the
some.
NGOs.
They have some fees.
No,
And
NGOs. If your NGOs is non-governmental organization and it is
only
free of
few
cost.
NGOs.
So there are lots of NGOs in our country. There are lots
So
of.
they are.
Vinas.
I have one question, ma'am. You said government hospital providing free of cost
Treatment.
medicine.
Yeah, medicine.
yeah.
Yes.
Medicine and vaccine.
And I don't think every government hospital provide free medicine. Yes, sir.
Where are you, sir?
They providing only paracetamol and the low cost of medicine.
No, yeah.
I have experience of KGMU. My father, yeah, actually my father
AGM
treatment.
don't provide medicine.
It is
No,
it
I
is a
agree.
private or government
I
hospital.
agree for your
It is
point.
a private or government
Some-
hospital. What do you say?
all medicines are not available in
They providing only
government medical
only low
stores.
cost of medicine.
So they I think they provided many common medicines.
Yeah,
You want to
exactly.
say common medicine,
Yeah,
but
exactly.
What is he saying?
yeah,
All the medicines
but
are not
government.
available in the government.
No. Medicine. Some medicine like they not provided in not get in government
private
medical.
you will get
But
They
Ayushman
only provide
Bharat,
low cost of medicine.
Ayushman Bharat,
We can affordly
government
easily
government
affordable
opened
affordly.
Ayushman Bharat Jan Subhida Kendra. Bharati Jan Subhida Kendra.
Jan Subhida
Government
Sir,
no.
actually there is
take
no
more
providing
tax.
every medicine.
No, we can.
Yeah,
We can.
I go there. I have to purchase some medicine
we
for my
can,
father.
we
There
can
is no
take,
medicines.
we can take less of money without any tax.
No, ma'am, I am not
when
agree
we
with this.
get in private medical
not agree with
100
this, ma'am.
rupees tablet, then we can get only 10 rupee tablet from Bharati Jan Aushadhi Kendra.
Ma'am,
Yeah, yes.
Buying this if you are not able to- if
I
you are not-
purchased.
Yes, you must have purchased, but what the purpose? Every medicine is not available on the clinic. So what the purpose? If the people are suffering from the other disease, and you are saying that every common medicine is available.
No, common
Why-
but
2 days back only, I went
necessary
to that, if you are
medicine
talking
they
about
provided.
Jan Seva
They,
Kendra,
necessary medicine.
good evening, everyone. My name is Minaz Khan. I am a native of Lucknow. First of all, I would like to pay my humble gratitude to Mr. Rasis sir, who has given me to chance to speak here. I would like to support private hospital because private hospital provide us a hygiene environment and they provide quick treatment and also they provide they take care of patient in a proper manner. And if we talk about government hospital, they have don't manner how to talk their patient. They,
How can say?
yeah, exactly.
Minor?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I go in a government hospital for visit see a patient of our known, and we go there, and nurse ask to nurse that patient is in a critical way. Please come and see them. She says, अभी जाइए, अभी डॉक्टर है नहीं, आते हैं, मैं आपको बताती हूँ. What we say that time.
What is the conditions of government hospitals? So bad.
That's why
It is reality. It is really
that's why I support private hospital.
See,
Thank
say
you.
directly, but private hospital, not say directly, but do like.
No, ma'am.
Do like
If you come to me and you ask something, I answer you rudely. How do you feel? If I tell you in a good manner, Abhi ma'am, please wait there. Doctor is coming. I will
Yes.
send them. Exactly. What do you feel that time? You feel good or bad?
But I think don't say like this.
I have experience, ma'am. Then I talk.
Very
I have experience.
Any question?
Any government. Queen Mary.
Question. Who answers?
Queen Mary.
How can you say government hospital don't have good manners?
I also have experience. Then I
I have my experience.
Doctors sometimes.
One by one.
I have my experience in KGMU.
Yeah.
Before 2 years ago, my mother suffered in pain accident. During accident, I call ambulance, and ambulance go nearest hospital. Then refer my mother's doctors refer. Then ambulance leave her district hospital. District hospital refer my mother refer because they did not have treatment. Then my mother's refer in KGMU. KGMU ambulance come in KGMU, and in 1 hour trauma center admit my mother's, and only one night I come in KGMU 10 o'clock night, and all night all treatments completed, X-ray and CT scan and ultrasound, all without paying any money, because I did not have any transportation, I did not have money, but uh, I used government service. I used government service and come, and doctors talks with manners, talks me with manners,
I
and
don't. What do you say? You use government service?
I use all government service,
Government-
government ambulance, and
Okay.
come here and admit trauma centers, and many checkups, X-ray, CT scan, and ultrasounds without paying any money. And after 2 days, my mother okay.
So also
Okay.
I am
And,
share my experience. Sorry, ma'am.
How can
I'm
my
happy for you, but
experience, experience.
I am also share my experience of Queen Mary, which is also affiliated or KGMU.
District hospitals experience,
Ma'am,
and my nearest CSC hospitals experience.
if you talk about most of the cases, you only share your only you share your what you have. I see most of them, and you go KGMU. Do you see how they are crowded?
So because
Like
people
them-
believe on
they are-
government hospital, government doctor, there are many
They are
hospitals,
just
many
believing, but they
patients
are not getting anything.
go in
They are just- they
KGMU.
are expecting their wheelchair, and all the people, lots of disabled are there.
No, they provided wheelchairs
not
and all.
every, not every patient got the wheelchair. There are lots of people. There are lots of disabled you are talking.
They provided
So,
wheelchairs
but if
and
you are giving the money in the private
I'm saying in the government, it is the case of KGMU. You are talking
You
about
give only
KGMU.
Aadhaar card, submit, and you take. Yes, I also know
you are-
about KGMU.
if you are-
when doctor failed in
Ask
treatment in
my wife.
private hospital, then they refer in government hospital KGMU.
Because we all case are destroyed.
I'm talking about. I'm talking about
Good evening, dear panelists. My name is Aarti, and I am from Lucknow. thank you for Rasi sir to giving me this golden chance to speak here. Today I am speak. Government hospital is the best because government hospital is the available any facilities like that uh, 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 ambulance service and free medicines, free of cost food and free foods and proper morning to evening from breakfast to dinner provided. Maternity service available in a pregnant lady uh, and vaccine available uh, more than any free charges. So I can support it in a government hospital.
Government hospitals timing is morning time to 1 p.m. Lok Bandhu, for example, Lok Bandhu hospital. 1 rupee checkup. Timing is 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. and at emergency cases is not pay 1 rupees. Government is hospital is not pay 1 rupees. Not pay 1. All medicines not available. Doctor says write the outside cleaning outside pharmacy and take the medicines.
Yes, very nice. Yes.
Doctor providing I think no providing a hospital this medicines see right and provide outside. So very less prices right in medicines so you can purchase.
And not available.
Yeah.
Every private hospital has closed, but the government hospital opened
Sunday
at night 2 a.m. So
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Government hospitals doctor 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. 8 a.m. Okay, then.
you can check today night. All night open.
If you're talking about emergency, not every doctor is available in the government hospital. Not every time. Not every time. Only assistant doctor, you can say assistant and other doctors are available. No emergency. If you're talking about not doctors are not available there, then we have to choose only private. No emergency. No, you are just exaggerating. No, nothing. You are just saying your point and nothing. Not every doctor is available in the government hospital every time.
In night,
Because-
one medicine doctor. Then doctor all
They just only say that we have to wait. You have to wait for tomorrow and wait for. Yes, doctors are. Yes, definitely. Because they have to earn their purpose.
medicine.
They take money and they start treatment.
Also not available, but if patient are
No.
go outside, then they call, then he came. One day I pain in stomach pain, I go medical care hospital, then doctor not available. When I admit in under nurse, then he called to sir, then sir is came, then my treatment start.
You are just giving your personal experience.
No, it is not
Definitely. But this usually don't happen. This usually don't happen.
You say
Sir,
in
sir,
private hospital every
this
doctor.
this usually
listen,
don't happen in private
No,
hospital.
you say-
but in government
No,
hospital
no,
it
you
happens.
said in private hospital doctors are 24/7 available because for money.
No.
You said so. Why are not available for that time when I go?
Ma'am,
Yes.
you can say money is important, your family member is important.
But doctor are not available in private hospital. How you treatment in government and private? I also go in private hospital.
Government hospitals,
Money is important.
Family member are also available.
family member are also
Government hospital because government hospital has genuine doctor and knowledgeable doctor.
you
Providing
say private hospital not eligible. Private hospital is not eligible.
If you don't have money, so what are you doing?
government doctor. If you don't have
government all schemes. Ayushman card.
Ayushman are working that time.
4 to 5 lakhs provide
It is work only admit case, not a you entered not available for Ayushman card and every people not afford Ayushman card also.
Or many villages.
When you admit, then Ayushman card is working.
No ma'am, 62 all members goes private hospitals.
Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Bharsha. I am from Murai. I am talking about private hospital and government hospital.
Okay.
I am supporting private hospital because private hospital is good because environment is very clean. Private hospital and college and facilities and many facilities available in private hospital. My example, CCTV camera available every time, and patients separate room available, and clean washroom and room, and many facilities and advanced technology, advanced machine. Government hospital is very crowded, but private hospital is not crowded and security is very important in patients, because private hospital in security available, uh, staff every time patient see. And government hospital very unhygienic, and private hospital very hygienic. That's why I'm supporting also private hospital.
How can say कि how can say private hospital in provide best security and government hospital is not provided.
Not government hospital is not provided security,
How can you say you
because CCTV camera CCTV camera available in private hospital. Every not
CCTV camera security guard and
I'm not work
you nearby log bandhu and
only
everywhere
One example.
only one example
everywhere
नहीं.
I can say nearby your log bandhu you can say. There's
Only
every
one example.
No. Everyone every you can go or every government hospital.
Please
And you can
please nearby please hospital. Government hospital is very hygienic, not available facilities, not work camera.
health centers also available. You can, how can you say I call many people call
Not
me and for
not
ambulance
technology available. Please nearby
How can you
hospital
say?
government.
Government hospital, there are many patients go in government hospital because they suffer from financial problem and they believe on government doctor. So this is the main reason for crowding of government
Ma'am,
hospital.
if you are saying that they believe on the government hospital, so what was the condition during the pandemic time? The lots of people, they believed on the government hospital and they died because of that belief only. Because the people were, the many family members
What was
lost.
happening that time in private
No,
hospital?
private, those who were able to pay the fees
In
and all in private hospital,
Agra Paras hospital, 22
Then he-
patients die on only experiment.
No.
See, switch
No,
off the
during pandemic,
oxygen.
sir,
See,
during-
switch off the oxygen.
These were the main conditions.
How they do
These-
after oxygen? So only experiment for him experiment. They die.
Private hospitals saved lots of-
patient on one word.
Private hospitals saved lots of lives during pandemic time because but in the government hospital there was not, the beds were not available, and they had to fight for the beds and all, and finally they had to be on the road.
Private
And due to
hospital,
this,
Medanta hospital, many like case when who person not sick.
in private hospital the
what
people were only those people were there
No,
who
no,
have
no,
paid
no.
that the bed fees. So there were no such kind of condition. Not
I'm not.
Good evening, dear plaintiff. My name is Shiloshna. My name is Shiloshna. Uh, Thank you for Mr. Rashish sir to giving me this golden chance to speak here. Today I am here to support government hospital. Government hospital better than private hospitals because government hospital provide more facility, more different types of services, more facility provide for all pupils. Government hospitals provide government hospital based all pupils, but private hospital based some pupils. Government all pupils, villagers and many poor pupils afford government hospital, but some pupils who are rich, um, so they afford private hospitals. When you have any emergency in any times, you can go government hospital and achieve good treatment. Government hospital provides charity for treatments. If they not feel that good treatment, they refer patient to other hospitals, other hospital. But private hospital don't provide charity. If they don't have treatments, they don't have treatments for a patient, they not refer to other patient, to other, and don't said in family don't said do not said to don't talk to family members for we are not afford, we are not provide good treatments for your patient. They uh, treat him for after death treat him, and making bill, big bills. Many cases like that. 1 year, 6 months ago, Haryana, Gurgaon cases, 7 years old girls, Abhya Singh cases, disease of dengue. His parents go private hospitals and admitted him after admitted some hours. After some hours he dead, but doctors not informed to her parents, and after 15 days informed her parents, and bill 18 lakhs, making bill 18 lakh with her dead body, and ICCI communication, Indian competition communication research of 12 private hospitals like that, Apollo, Max, and Ganga Ram hospitals, and 12 hospitals research. Then this that report found that uh, these hospitals doing business, private hospitals doing only business for treatments, no provide good treatments, also provide, but after paying money. But you don't have money, your patient is very very critical, but they don't touch your patient without paying money, without paying. Yes. Some few using product like that, gloves and syringe, injections, very less price, but private hospitals 1 rupee, purchase 1 rupees, and selling 1 rupees things selling to 85 rupees, 85%, 85%. So we can say that government hospitals also also doing business and
Government hospital
Yes,
also
yes.
doing business.
yes, no, because by mistake, because I think all the other points, I thought other points. Yes, private hospital also doing business. Check. We can say. I would like to say delivery patients for women's delivery patients. Government hospitals also provide one date monthly, one date 9 and 16 and 21 and 24th 5 days in month free checkup without pay any cost without pay any money in all government CSC PSC health care and government district hospitals and all district hospital villages. Many private hospitals not available 24 hours in village. You can go village side and look, but CSC PSC health also available 24 hours and 7 days.
Yes, sir, I want to say that if she is saying that there are lots of facilities and lots of CSC, lots of data she has.
Because I work in 102
Yeah,
108
yes,
services
definitely,
and
definitely.
patient call me and
Yeah, I do agree whatever you have
ambulance
said.
firstly go nearest hospital CSC PSC and treat him and treat and many cases of after delivery drop back PSC CSC.
Do you
Yes,
think
yes,
that
yes.
in every village or in every rural area there is government hospital? Don't say yes. The availability of a government hospital in rural areas is almost null. You can say not in every rural area you found, but there is every private. But in every rural area you can find a private hospital, but not a government hospital. So where the people of that rural areas going to move, or where they are going to treat their family members, they are going to take to them to the cities. No, not every,
No,
not
no.
in my rural, in my village
No,
only.
no,
I can
no,
give
no.
the example. Go, no, every in every village. No, sir, it's a real-
Many village side. I found many quack doctors who quack doctor. No, don't provide good treatments. Only only for some experience without qualified doctors. So we found.
area or rural area government hospital available but doctor is not available
How can
time
you
to
say?
time
Our service.
village area doctor is not available staff available staff treatment start but doctor not not
Okay. Yes, I can.
yes
Yes. How can you say I work in 102 on 108 service.
okay
Every time 102 and 108 service in 24 hours. 24 hour service. Every times you can call and go any CSC PSC and treat and you can call and
Sochna ma'am ji this is Lucknow not a village good evening everyone my name is Meenakshi. I am from Lucknow, and firstly, I would like to thank you, sir, for giving me a golden opportunity. And I would like to say I support. I would like to say government hospital versus private hospital. I support for private hospitals.
Okay.
I support private hospitals for 3 points. Private hospital not depend nepotism not depend casteism and discriminations. Private hospitals very good facilities and robotic surgeries available. Private hospital neat and clean and communicable, not crowded area, not communicable disease. And private hospitals staff is very caring and supporting staff is very big staff government hospitals में staff is so and not time to time available.
You said casteism and differentiation is in a government hospital. How can say? Government doctor, you asked you what is your caste
Ma'am,
and what is your
go with me
job and
go
what
with
is
me
your
Lok go with me PGI and
They asked, who are you?
without
And-
support, without source, admit patients.
No. This is not true.
Not
Differentiation. It is
not
private hospital.
patient go and full time waste, full day waste, and not doctor treatment.
It happen in private hospital. If doctor see you look rich, then he suggest many checkup. Which
Okay, okay. Private hospitals have many checkup.
Government doctor is not mind this who are you and what is your caste and what is your financial condition. I think they have no more time for searching.
Normal hospital, for example, Lok Bandhu hospitals, but
They asked caste.
but
Is it your caste?
PGI, mains hospitals, AIMS hospital, not
They want
sources,
to know
and not
caste. What is your caste and financial condition? No, they know. There are many poor people want to
poor
treatment
people,
in government
poor
hospital.
poor pupil,
Not difference. I think
poor
I am not
pupil
agree
go.
for that point. I am not agree for
Ma'am,
that.
poor pupil go to AIMS hospital.
No, I am not agree for
Sir,
that.
poor pupil go to AIMS hospital.
He doesn't go to AIMS hospital because most facilities are available. KGMU, Civil, Balrampur, Lok Bandhu already available. Why he go to AIMS? Why he go? I know that is very crowded. Because people are very poor, they are not afford this treatment. That he go to private.
Ma'am, how can say you are going to government hospital?
Yes. I already taking a PGI and I already taking treatment in PGI also.
Government
Treatment is also running in PGI.
Government hospital not neat and clean.
Where? You can go and see. I with you me. You can go with me. I see you.
Okay.
Any place in
Government ma'am, I go not at the long distance and nearby Lok Bandhu hospital.
Suppose you go with me.
But very
You of course. You of course.
First of all, a very good evening to present over here, whosoever is present, and to Mr. Aziz sir and my dear panelist. My name is Rishabh Giri, and I'm supporting that the private hospitals are good, because if we feel that when why the people go to hospital and why the people go to the clinics when they have some illness, when they have some problems regarding, when they have some pain regarding their body and all. So I think no one is here no one is here should be no one is here that they want that they should suffer from the pain and disease for longer time. They should want to cure within a very less time. So they should and I feel that there here comes the role of a private hospital, because they provide the treatment at the right time and you can say with the full efficiency, because people get the recovery through their pain, through their disease, and through their illness within a very less time, you can say. And that's a very good thing about the people, because everyone, the life is most important, not the money. If the people who are not able to afford the private hospital, there are also subsidies and schemes. If you're talking about, there are you can say Pradhan Mantri Yojana also there is, and PM Jai, in which they have a trust with the and they have subsidies with the private hospitals. The people can go there and they can afford the cheap rate medicine, and they can be treated just like they can get in the government hospital, but at the same price. But if you are talking about that the people, lots of people, because of only that the people are not able to afford, then they should move to government hospital. I don't really think, because there are lots of, you can say there is a dogs and cats. They are like, people are just like, they are just in a queue, and there are lots of people and they don't even know that when their turn is going to come, and in that only the most of the people lost their lives. So I don't feel that this is good. So they should that's why I'm feel that.
Private hospital only for some people. You say life is important, money is important. Both you say what is important, money. The
Ma'am, I have one
person
question.
no have any money. how many people get died?
Please move.
Without,
Let's suppose
treatment.
just for the not don't happen it for real. Let's suppose you got injured just right now.
I
And,
can afford.
having- yes,
I
yes,
should
yes.
go private hospital. But
Why? Why? Then
but
why?
who-
Because you know. Because
who?
you know.
But
Because-
who
because-
has no money?
Yes.
What he do?
Yes, I do agree that they should go government hospital, but there are also subsidies. Also, they can go in the private hospital for the better technology advance. They can enjoy the
No.
advancement
Sometimes
of.
they
No.
they
If there
use
is-
technology only
You know-
for earn money.
you-
We have no need for any checkup and any they
There-
suggest for checkup and
There are
other things.
conditions
So
in the government hospital only in the rural areas. That
Government hospital
when they are
also
not
have
able,
good
when they are not
technology.
able, they just refer to the private hospital only. They refer
No.
they
Private
refer-
hospital
they
rather
refer-
government
they
hospital.
refer-
No, I am not
this is
agree for
sir.
this.
They, in emergency. No.
Good doctor also.
In rural areas, no, sir, I don't believe
and
that. In rural areas, private hospital.
neuro patient refer in KGM and PGI.
PGI RML also.
In rural areas, sir, government hospitals really do so, and they really refer the. They
Many
really.
cases. I have many cases. For many cases.
Private also refer in firstly private First-
But government hospital for everybody. For everybody. For everybody.
firstly
How can you say government
In
hospital?
rural areas, this happens.